good store if you got to pick stuff up for travel gear and stuff. You know, like little shower, shampoos and soaps and stuff. Yeah, usually they're like $1 or so it's not pretty cheap. You know what I'm saying?
Generally, $1. Is that what you just told me?
What?
Dollar General.
What about Dollar?
What'd you tell me?
And they got good
$1?
travel stuff at it. When you go on trips, you should, check them out or seek them out for deals for travel.
Definitely not what you said before I hit record.
I don't know what you're trying to imply here, but I was talking about travel gear and deals for traveling.
Turn left into the parking lot.
There it is up top there. Sorry.
Head east on Lincoln Highway East. At the light, turn left into the parking lot.
Get the what?
The castle.
What castle?
Oh,
I got it.
That's awesome. Okay, I do some crazy things. We know this. Well, last year, I went to Lake Comp House. And I bought their season pass. And Dutch Wonderland is included. Well, I was down the street in Virginia, as you know, this weekend. So, come back up to Baltimore to fly home. Dutch Wonderland, let's get it done. Well, the cool thing is, Dutch Wonderland has 3 credits I should be able to claim today. Now, I'm hoping my fat booty didn't get too much booty because I had a whoopie pie and all that other yummy stuff yesterday. And, I'm not ashamed to admit it. I'm fat, okay? So, but let's see if I can get in here. I don't think I can get in this way. I got to go around the other way. Maybe? Yeah, I got to go in the other way. Anyways, let me scoot back over here and scoot around. And April's going to the Goodwill. But me, I'm in for some credit. So let's go. Stick around. Stay tuned for some more content, as Mark said. This is neat. This is a cool little park. Another little carousel. Oh, we got a golden ticket award member. Oh, man, I didn't know that. This is awesome. Let me check this out. Amazing, amazing. Just walked into the Dutch Wonderland and my pass was having a question. They took me up front to guest services, brought me up there, explained to them the issue, and handed me off to customer service with a detailed explanation of what's going on. That's customer service. Great job, Dutch Wonderland, having that personal experience. This is awesome. Coaster looks like it could be running. I don't know. I'm going to go scoot and see if I can get on these rides and get out of here, but we'll see. A dragon and a princess. Awesome. All right, we're gonna look at Merlin's Mayhem. Let's go.
So keep your eyes all over from Mayhem. Let's go. Well, where are you going?
RoloCoaster, and he was so scared. Oh yeah. I have to fall out, but I know I won't. I'm so excited!
That was good, huh? Awesome, so awesome. Front row, left side of Mayhem's. I got to ride with a young man to help him get on because he was not tall enough, and so I'm so stoked to be able to let him ride. I love that. You guys know that. So, Merlin's.
In the barn for the young people. Maybe Smith's pies go good with the cheese and cider I thought I'd feed them.
Then we make more than 50 or 60 so we have enough to go around.
Such a Grixie when there's not enough.
Shaggy time! Oh, the smells on! Whee! Oh! Yes! 2 revolutions! So awesome. I walk up and the ride op's looking at me and she's like, I don't know, buddy. I don't know. But she totally invited me to come on and I got to see and I fit. Woo woo! And I got to ride the Joust. So yes, let's go. And we are now on to Kingdom Coaster. Is that Titan track on a kid coaster? Let's go. Coaster front row. That Titan track was absolutely amazing. It adds a pop to the end. It smooths it out. It gives it that little thrill. I'm gonna try to go back on it for the back. I'd like to see a little difference if there is any difference. That was a fun coaster. Man, kids are lucky to have a great coaster like this sitting in their park, this beautiful family park. I love this. All right, go back on for the back row. Let's go. good as the front, if not better. A little pop in the end. Man, again, I cannot rave enough about this park. 3 cool little coasters, a really, really small coaster, but again, you can fit in as a big boy, and you got the wood coaster behind me, and you have what, you know, the inverted Freedom Flyer up front. Good stuff. I'm gonna walk the park real quick. Again, this is a really cool little park. I got like little things here and there. I just want to take pictures of, get out of here. But I think we might be wrapping up. I don't think we're going up to Sesame Street. I think someone's, you know, wants to make sure we focus on our flight. You guys know me. I'll do whatever to do. But let's check this out a little more and wrap this up. All right. So stay tuned for a little bit. They got the old antique cars sitting over here. I won't lie, I was a little bummed not to do the antique cars yesterday. This antique car ride looks pretty solid, but yeah, I'll be sustaining. But I think I'm gonna take the bridge over. At least check what's out over here. Looks like there's maybe... cool wood chips and playland area with dinosaurs they can climb over. There's a dig area right here. I didn't even see that. I'll show you guys that. That's awesome. Freaking awesome. I wish I had this when I was a kid. I would have begged my parents to come here to dig up some dirt and have fun with my friends. And awesome. Dutch Wonderland. Way to, upsell me the pretzel that I needed. Hey, the train was coming. I went back and got a pretzel. And I made the ladies laugh about my really weird dad joke I was making fun of. Anyways, all right, I'm going to go up here, go to the side, check the rest of the park out. And I believe I am out of here. But stay tuned until I check out. Who knows what crazy antics I might come up with.
I mean, you can go that way.
That's so cool. Sometimes our dad reads the book. Daniel listens. Oh, listens. No? Well, this is another one that I get to share with all of you.
I love that. The kids are sitting there getting a book read to them. I'm not gonna lie, when I was a kid, I used to love to go to the library and have a reader read to us, or even the librarian. She was a great reader, and you just sat there and had the book read to you. It's part of why I enjoyed that so much and seeing that. That's pretty awesome. So, oh man, all right. I got a little gingerbread house. I got little quirky little things. I absolutely, again, love this little park. I would highly recommend it on your list. It is not for the older kids. This is for your youngins. I don't think Legoland, you know, think again, very Santa's Village, Storyland. This is right there with it, and on par, clean, amazing customer service. I couldn't ask for more for a great park.